Hello YouTube! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a frog and an object that makes you jump very high. What you need for the frog is a base, a vegetable seed, a 2x4 brick, a 2x2 brick, a 2x8 brick, a seed, a 2x1 brick, and a 2x2 triangle. You take a vegetable seed and place it on the base, and now a 2x2 brick and copy it on the vegetable seed. And that are gonna be the leg. And then you take the 2x8 brick and put it there, and that's gonna be the body. Then you make 4 legs. Oh, god damn it. There. Oh my god. Yeah. Now you take your 2x4 brick and place it here in both sides. Take a 2x1 brick, that's gonna be the neck. 2x2 brick to make your head. And 2x1 brick to make the mouth around here. And a tongue, you use seeds for a tongue. Like that. And these are gonna be the eyes. And there, then you're almost done. So you're gonna resize the triangle. Oh. So it fits. And now you're gonna paint your frog. Take a color tool and paint it. All green. But the eyes are gonna get white and this the tongue is red. So now you take a seed, place it here so you can control it. Copy it. Take the 2x1 bricks one around. Copy them. And now color again. Jump and delete the base, and there you go, you have a frog. Okay. Now to the object that makes you jump very high. Take a 1x1 truss, put it on your shoulder, like that. Copy it 2 times, so it goes like that, and then jump. Take a 3x1 truss, place it there on the hands like that, and place one here, and one right here, and one under here. Then you delete the one you put on your shoulders, then you see you jump very high.